So for educational purposes, this is how Teddy looks whenever she has a seizure. Now, she started having it at about 2 months old. And the reason why she's not going crazy like she used to is because we've learned how to manage her seizures. She used to arch her back really badly. But as you can see, what we've been able to do, she's not like a regular dog that has seizures. You see this? Okay. She has already trained herself, and she wants to come to mama because that's what she's been trained to do, to come by me, because she knows that I'll comfort her. And like I said, for educational purposes, I'm just letting you see how she has her seizures.